Our trades for today. Today is Thursday, April 6th of 2023, and we had several trades that went through today. First of all, you see up top we had a VZ covered call Verizon. We had 3 contracts of the April 21st 35 covered call, and we let that be assigned to us. It happened because of dividend capture. And the reason is that Verizon has gone up quite a bit over the past several weeks, and we tried to roll this 35 strike price call option, which are way down here, out, and we also tried to roll it out and up. But without going way out in time, we just couldn't get any good premium for it. So we decided to let it be called away from us. And we're not done with Verizon, of course. We'll look for a new opportunity to trade in it again. We'll just wait till it comes back down to around some support that I like better. Now the next trade was SRE. We had sold the April 21st 140 Cash Secured Put option, and we bought it back to close it out for 20 cents. SRE has advanced nicely over the past couple weeks, and it is reaching an area that might serve as resistance for it, although we do still see nice volume here. So it's possible that SRE will continue to go up. It's now broken out above the red 200 and 50, the green 50 exponential moving average on the hourly chart. So it looks like SRE does have room to run. But just in case, I wanted to go ahead and take some profit here. We had a nice return on this position. It only cost us 20 cents to close it out. I actually paid a dime to close this position out for commission. So not bad. We're happy that that position there worked out well for us. The next one is our experimental TQQQ high volatility position. What we did is we bought to close the April 6th $23 cash secured put option that expired today. When we went out 3 weeks, we sold to open the April 28th $25 cash secured put option. So let's look at that chart here, and I'll show you why I felt comfortable rolling that strike price up. So our strike price was about right in here around 23. But since we sold that cash secured put option several weeks ago, TQQQ has now made a higher high here. We see it's also made a higher low. So it's looking nice, looking fairly bullish. Now the one thing is that we do expect it to come down to retest support. So will it come as low as this area here, which would put it around 23 or 24? Well, quite possible. We figured this green 50 moving average, that might serve as support for it. And so we'll have to see how it plays out. Over here on the hourly chart, we see that it's now broke out above the green 50 and red 200 exponential moving average on this hourly chart. That looks good. The 200 moving average is right at the $25 strike price that we sold. Looking over here at the weekly chart, we see nice strength from our buyers over the past several months. And according to this chart, if it can push through this green 50 moving average, the next area of resistance would be all the way up around 33 or 34 at the red 200 moving average. So we got paid nice premium. We were able to pocket, let's see, right at $1.05 per share before commission. So we're happy to get that trade done. Now we'll see what happens over the next 3 weeks. Our final trade was we sold to open a new cash secured put option in PAYX. We sold the May 19th $105 cash secured put option. So let me show you why I felt comfortable doing this trade. This is a stock I've been watching for a while and haven't really done any trades in it. But today, I noticed that it was trading at the lower part of a downward sloping trading channel. It might be easier to see over here on this weekly chart. So it is in a downward trend, a slight downward trend, and it's drifting lower. But we find it right back at the lower part of this trading channel. It's traded as high recently as 128, 129, and as low as about 105, which coincidentally we did sell the 105 strike price. I looked at the 100. I would have preferred to sell the 100 because the 100 is right here at this red 200 moving average on this weekly chart, but we just didn't get enough premium for it. So I decided to go ahead and sell the 105, and I'm comfortable doing that. Notice that over the past several weeks, the volume has spiked up. There's quite a bit of volume. And now, as the stock has been coming down over the past week, the volume has been dropping. So sellers are getting less and less anxious or excited about selling. And today was actually it looks like a nice leg on this. Ended up being an up day where the sellers came in and pushed it down, but buyers bought it back up. And coincidentally, that happened right at an area where over the past several weeks, it's found support, right around this 106, 105 and a half area. So will it do it again? Well, that's kind of what we're counting on. Of course, anything's possible. It may continue to go lower. If it does break below this area of support here, which is around the 105, 106 area, then our next major area of support would probably be right here around the 101, which would also coincide with this red 200 moving average on the weekly chart. Over here on this hourly chart, we see that it is drifting lower. However, we do see that it's found support around this 105, 106 area, multiple times over the past few weeks. So we'll just have to see if it continues to find support there. I do feel comfortable adding this position. They don't have earnings until June or July, so earnings won't bother us any. So I'll look for an opportunity to add more to this position. So that's all of our trades for today, and that closes the week out. I hope you have an awesome 3-day weekend. We'll see you next week.